How to make strong body at home for men. Best exercise for men. Let's do it. Exercise number 1, bench dips. Instructions. Place your hands on the edge of a bench or chair, with your feet extended out in front. Lower your body by bending your elbows to a 90-degree angle, then push back up to the starting position. Benefits. Bench dips target the triceps, shoulders, and chest, helping to build upper body strength. This exercise enhances muscle definition and endurance. It can be done anywhere, making it perfect for a home workout. Exercise number 2, jumping jacks. Instructions. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms above your head. Then return to the starting position. Benefits. Jumping jacks are a full-body cardio exercise that boosts cardiovascular health. They improve coordination and increase overall stamina. This exercise also helps in burning calories and promoting fat loss. Exercise number 3, Pike to Cobra Push UPS. Instructions. Start in a pike position with your hips raised and hands and feet on the floor. Lower your hips while bending your elbows into a push-up, then transition into a cobra pose by extending your spine and looking upwards. Benefits. This exercise strengthens the upper body, core, and improves flexibility. It targets the shoulders, chest, and back muscles. The dynamic movement enhances functional strength and mobility. Exercise number 4, stretching. Bridge pose to Bandhasana. Instructions. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, clasping your hands beneath your back for support. Benefits. Bridge pose strengthens the back, glutes, and hamstrings. It also stretches the chest, neck, and spine, promoting flexibility. This pose improves posture and helps relieve lower back pain. Exercise number 5, stretching. Ceiling look stretch. Instructions. Stand or sit upright, slowly tilt your head back to look up at the ceiling, keeping your neck relaxed. Hold the stretch for a few seconds and return to the starting position. Benefits. This stretch helps to alleviate neck tension and improve neck flexibility. It also enhances blood circulation to the brain. Regular practice can reduce the risk of neck strain and headaches. Exercise number 6, stretching. Hip extension stretch. Instructions. Kneel on one knee with the other foot in front, forming a 90-degree angle. Push your hips forward while keeping your back straight to stretch the hip flexors. Benefits. Hip extension stretches target the hip flexors and quadriceps, improving flexibility and mobility. This stretch can alleviate lower back pain and enhance athletic performance. It's particularly beneficial for those who sit for long periods. Exercise number 7, stretching, Plyo side lunge stretch. Instructions: stand with your feet wide apart. Bend one knee and lower your body into a side lunge while keeping the other leg straight. Push off the bent leg to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Benefits: this stretch enhances lower body strength and flexibility, targeting the inner thighs, glutes, and hips. It improves balance and coordination. Plyo side lunges also help in developing explosive power in the legs.